Now I will test it. Oh yeah, it's cooked well. Hello, my name is Sukjung. I'm from Korea and I moved to New Zealand about 20 years ago and then moved to Australia, Sydney now. And today I would like to introduce our Korean traditional food that is very popular street food, Hotteok. Put it and just to mix it. Put the flour in a bowl. Put them together. Then mix it. It's very soft now, so make a bowl. Yep. So on your hand and wrap it. About 1 spoon is enough for the filling, and wrap it. I made the fry pan preheated with low temperature, and I only just put on the oil, so that is a little bit greasy, and I didn't apply the oil on the fry pan. And you can just place it here. I will just check it. Oh, that one's good. Already baked very well. Sometimes if it is just leaked, but don't mind that one is fully baked. So yeah, it's good. Now serving here. 1, 2, 3. Ready to eat.
Like this actually looks like an arepa, like from Colombia. The difference is that like it's more bready.
Yeah.
And like softer, I guess.
Actually, that one is a yeast bread, so.
Yes.
But only difference is very very hot and.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
You be careful. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Very soft and good.
It's delicious. Yeah, okay. Check this out. What's inside? Like you can feel the caramel and like the pieces of peanut, and because
Cinnamon.
just came from the grill, it's very hot.
Very
It's
hot.
quite delicious. So
And this is very popular in the winter. In Korea, winter time is very cold, so people just have a hot dog and happy time.
this is delicious. I could eat this for the rest of my life.
Yeah. I'm happy to introduce this hotdog to you, and also I would like to introduce this hotdog to all of you.
Delicious.